People, you know what make this meal so delicious? These scallions. These scallions is what makes it so delicious. You see that? Look at that. I'm gonna end up eating all of this.
Curdy, what about me?
You tell me what I'm about to say.
For me to wait my turn?
That's right. Wait your turn. Gonna want to hang around and see this. Salutations, chefs. We in the kitchen again. Okay, so today we're doing an egg noodle recipe. I got this brand right here. This is Pampa wide egg noodles, all natural ingredients, 7 minutes cook time. This is gonna be my first time trying this. Okay, so we're gonna try that out. All right. Then we have some chunky chicken. This is great value, chunk chicken breast with rib meat, fully cooked. All right, and we're gonna use some cream of chicken. We're gonna use some cream of chicken. This is Campbell's cream of chicken, great for cooking. People, you can't go wrong with the cream of chicken. And this is a quick, simple, and easy meal. We always do quick, simple, and affordable meals here on We in the Kitchen. So there ain't nothing new to y'all, people. So just hang around so you can see me put this together. Okay, so I got the egg noodles. I got some chunk white chicken over the egg noodles. Then I took some cream of chicken, put that over the chicken, and I'm garnished it with some onions. Who could go wrong with that? This is a banging, cheap, easy, and simple meal, people. Man, let's stop all this yapping and get into this food. Ooh, this looks so good. People, you got to see this. Always dropping something. Mm. This is good. Wait a minute. You know, people, this is really good. I'm not playing. This is really good. People, you know what make this meal so delicious? These scallions. These scallions is what makes it so delicious. You see that? Look at that. This is really good. I'm not playing. I'm going to mess around and be charged for Outstanding Cook of the Year. And the food critics is going to come at me. I'm dropping something. I had a piece of leftover garlic bread, popped it in the oven. It only took like 10 minutes to cook, people. And it make this meal scrum dilly umptious. Look, I'm going to end up eating all of this. It's because it's just so delicious. What? Look. You tell me what I'm about to say. That's right. Wait your turn. Okay. Now it's your turn. You know you need to wait. You know you're supposed to eat your food first and then your dessert. Cut it out. I know. You know I like desserts. But you got to wait. You know I always tell you to wait. Stop it. Pineapple cake. You gotta love it.